Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to add a list description on Amazon. So if you have any list that you've created, basically once you create that list, it doesn't have any description. It's just a general list name and that's it, and it's going to most likely set to private by default. So I'm going to show you how to add description there. So once you're signed into your Amazon account, you want to look towards the upper right hand side for a list and accounts or account and list. Hover over that and just select the list that you've created. If you haven't created a list yet, just simply click and create a list and just give the list a name and you'll have a blank list here. So but once you have that list created, you can easily click on that list from here and you will have it. And basically you know how to add products to your list. You can always search for items, and once you find an item on the right hand side, you'll be able to easily add that item to a list. And let me just give you a quick walk around on how to do that. So let me go ahead and just go to the Amazon home page, and let's say I found a product, let's say shopping for gaming and something like that, and let's say I want to get this headphones here or this chair here. Let's put this chair here as an example. So let's say I want to add this to my list. It's very easy. I can just simply go ahead, scroll down towards the right hand side, and there is the option to add to list. Click the little drop down and select your list, and basically that's it. This item is now added to my list. So let me go back into the list now. So to basically add a list description, guys, all you have to do is just simply click the three dots towards the upper right hand side of that list, and you can click and manage list, and this is going to give you some options here. And if you scroll down here, if you see, you can change the privacy. If your list is in private, you can always switch this to public. You can switch this to shared, public, or private, so it's really up to you. Now to add the list description, you want to scroll down to where it says description. You can add whatever, so I can say as all my tech wishes, for example, right? Let's say that's my description here, and let's say that's what I want to add to my wish list, or let's call it my wish list, right, or my tech wish list. And that's basically it. So you can always go ahead and add a description at any point in time. You can always change this to whatever you want, but that's how you go ahead and add a description. Once you're done, simply click on save changes. And as you can see here on the wish list, or this list here, you can see that the description is also shown here at the top in quotations. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.